Well, good morning everybody. This next video is going to be about GoPro stuff. Stuff that I've learned, that I'm trying to learn, and maybe this stuff will be helpful to you. So, welcome to my channel here and subscribe to it. Maybe you'll find some other stuff later. But this video is probably going to be around 10 minutes long, so you have time to drink yourself a cup of coffee and check it out. Please leave some information for me if I did something wrong, or give me a thumbs up and tell me how wonderful it was. Alright, this is the gadget we're going to test out right now. I number the cameras because I keep getting them mixed up, 1 and 2. So you're going to see that coming up right now. I'm going to fire up the computer so I can put both of these on the same little video. Alright, we got 2 cameras going now. This is number 1 camera. This one over here is number 2 camera. What I'm testing here is I wanted to see, I'm thinking about doing something different. I mount this one of them to the front of my bike, and one of them on my helmet. One of them goes right here. Right there. So what I want to do, and we'll see what you guys think of it too, is I want to be able, I think it might look better when I'm going around these corners that it is following the camera. I mean, following the road, not leveling it out. I wanted to check and see if I got both of these set the same. I think I got them set so that they are different when I go around the corner. This should stay, Verizon should stay straight in one of these and not and level in the other one. I mean, follow the bike. I don't know how to say that, but it either be, you know what I mean. It'll lean with the bike and the other one will keep going straight because that's the way it's built. So I'm going to go give this a test in the house here, and look at all my flowers. Oh, they're drying up. It's getting hot. 103 today. Humidity is really high. It's 12. Oh yeah, I'm in high desert country. Well, let's go check this out. Let's go around this corner. There's your favorite boy right there. He's a hot one. You should be getting in your pool, man. Alrighty. Let's see how that works. See if we got them both set the same way. Hopefully not. And that's where we usually start off our videos, isn't it? Come on in, buddy. I think that might work out. Number 1 camera will be the one that'll be down there on my frame. So it will get the true turning of the corners. I've noticed that it don't do that, which it ain't supposed to do that. So the other will be on my helmet. It'll take all that wiggle woggle out. Let me know what you think about it. Should I leave the wiggle woggle in? I guess you won't know until we try it out on a crooked road. Hey, thanks for following and checking out these little videos on GoPros.